Rangsakni takoksong bukoksong norok naitongo tabuk TMB News and Entertainment Channel.
The Buisu Ter or Buisu Festival, we call it, is the largest and historic festival celebrated by the Tripuras or the Tripuras across the globe since time immemorial. This festival is celebrated in the month of April every year. It begins from the last day of Chaitra and ends on the 7th day of Boishakh. This festival is marked as the homecoming of Lord Gauriya, the god of war as known by the Tripuras. Lord Gauriya also symbolizes to Lord Shiva as believed by the Hindus in general. The first day of Buisu Ter is known as Hari Buisu, which is marked as the festival for the animals, birds and other living organisms. On this day, killing of any organism is strictly prohibited. On this day, the domestic animals like cow, buffalo, goats, dogs, pigs, cats, etc. are being given birth and garlanded by the house owners and their children. They are being fed with good food. On this day, the houses are cleaned, old clothes are washed and dried in the sun. The second day is known as Buisuma. On this day, the Tripuras wake early in the morning and take bath by offering prayer to Tibungma, that is goddess of water, that is in Hindu we call it Ganga. Goddess of water with flowers seeking blessings. On this day, the children, after bathing early in the morning, take some paddy grains in kasling. This kasling is a small bamboo made or wet container or basket and sow the paddy on the courtyard of their respective villagers seeking blessings from goddess Maluma. Maluma in Hindu they call it Lakshmi, goddess Lakshmi. For multiplying the wealth and also seeking blessings from the elderly people of the village. On this day, the Tripuras are fully engaged in merrymaking. They wear the finest clothes, cook the best food. The elderly people drink the best homemade chalk, we call it, that is wine, batuk, arak, etc. So special awan, that is in Bangla we call it pitha. So these are being made. I think you can see some of the pithas in front of our auditorium. I think all of you can enjoy it. Are prepared in varieties. They invite their friends, relatives, neighbors of their communities, etc. On this day, the village had organized a great feast for the villagers. So during Buisu Ter, the Lord Gauriya is being worshipped by all the Tripuras. A dancing team called Gauriani Trairok or Kherbai, we call it, is being formed to perform dances. This team performs dance in every household of the village, carrying the image of the effigy of Lord Gauriya. The house owner or the head of the family make offering to Lord Gauriya. The dance performed comprises of 22 steps or tal. So we'll be definitely seeing some of these steps in today's program. We're just waiting for it. So these 22 steps of tal. Besides, there are also other items such as Hansit Khokmani, Kerang Rommani, Metro Rommani, etc. These are some kind of skit which is also being performed after the dance is over. So this celebration continues for about 7 days up to Sena. That is the end of Gauriya Puja. That is the departure of Lord Gauriya, which is the last day of Buisu Ter and marked as the returning day of Lord Gauriya. This day is declared state holiday by the Tripura government on account of Gauriya Puja. Soon after the week-long celebration, the elderly Tripuras leave their homes for Hachuk, that is hill areas, for cultivation of crops. So this festival basically is very much related with the culture of the Tripuras. Soon after the celebration of this festival, the elderly people who are able to work, they go for cultivation into the hilly areas. That is a type of shifting cultivation. So this is just in a brief. I have explained this. So I hope that all of us will enjoy today's program with the forthcoming dances, folk dance and songs during this short period of time. Once again, I would like to invite all the dignitaries, my dear students, other participants, media personals, for being with us today here. And once again, thank you all.